Doldam House, nestled amidst the breathtaking scenery of Seorak National Park, is a private rental residence that harmoniously blends with its natural surroundings. Inspired by the park's iconic boulder formations and the vibrant seasonal changes, the building's design is a testament to the delicate balance between human intervention and the natural world. The house's exterior is a masterpiece of architectural ingenuity. The front wall, a slightly sheared structure that shifts perspective, invites visitors to explore the interplay between the building and the surrounding landscape. The recycled rocks excavated during construction have been thoughtfully incorporated into the front yard, creating a natural and inviting space. The orange door leading to the courtyard serves as a gateway to a tranquil oasis, allowing tenants to regulate daylight and visual exposure as desired. Inside, Doldam House offers a spacious and open-plan living experience. The 6 individual spaces, each 4 meters wide, are interconnected, fostering a sense of unity and flow. The 2 compartments on the southeast side, a courtyard and an outdoor deck, provide ample opportunities for residents to connect with nature. The design allows for natural light, airflows, and the beauty of the surrounding trees to be enjoyed both indoors and outdoors. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Doldam House is a testament to sustainable design principles. The use of recycled materials and the thoughtful consideration of natural elements demonstrate a commitment to environmental stewardship. The building's unique vantage point offers a captivating perspective on the surrounding landscape, creating a tranquil retreat that is both harmonious and visually stunning. In conclusion, Doldam House is a remarkable example of how architecture can coexist with nature in a symbiotic relationship. Through its innovative design, the house offers a truly immersive experience for its occupants, inviting them to appreciate the beauty and tranquility of Seorak National Park. Thank you for watching this video about Doldam House, a unique and inspiring architectural masterpiece nestled in the heart of Seorak National Park. We hope you enjoyed learning about the design process, sustainable features, and tranquil ambience of this remarkable building. If you're interested in learning more about Doldam House or exploring other sustainable architecture projects, please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and videos. We also welcome your comments and feedback below.